Hello guys, this is Herman again in another Just My Review, and well, today I'm gonna do a quick checkup on these rear control arms, the adjustable ones I installed. Basically more than a year. And as you guys can see, let me show you. I'm gonna put the pictures right over here and you guys can compare. Take a look, the big difference between this guy right here. Look the tire. If you guys can see, the tire is basically real good. Take a look. It's straight. Basically it's parallel with the front wheel. And you guys can see it's no like used to be. Take a look on the video right here and compare this picture. And now let's take a look on the other side. And as you guys can see, it's the same thing. Take a look in there and look at the big difference, this baby. Take a look at the picture right here next to this one. Well guys, you see that? It is amazing. And as you guys can see, the wear on the tire is perfect. It's very good. I didn't have any more problems with these tires. Thanks God, I love these adjustable arms that basically only MOOG and another brands have it, but basically MOOG for me is the best of the best. And well guys, there you guys have it right here. This one, it was a quick video just to show you guys how nice it looked. This and the 4 escape, in my case is the titanium. And as I heard, this job can be done in different escapes, not only in this one. This one is the 2014. As I heard, is from the 2013 through the 2000 and I think the 2019. And basically you guys can check it out. But the problem with the rear control arm is that you guys cannot adjust that. And as soon as the control arm get damaged, start getting some play and everything, that's it. You guys gonna waste your money taking your track to alignment, because the camber is gonna be completely screwed up and you guys gonna start losing your tires very often. They're gonna tell you guys that, oh no, it's just a little bit, it's not that much. Well, that little bit basically is gonna consume all your tires in less than 1, maybe 2 years. And if you buy one of those expensive tires, well, probably not expensive, but you know, a good quality. For example, the one I got right here is this Cooper tire. This is the let me see, this is the Endeavor, and this is, it was not expensive, but because of the reviews, I like this tire. And you know, it's very nice. I like it because it's a strong, got good grab on the snow, and works very well on when it's hot. Brakes very good, and you know, and I think it's this one, if I'm not wrong, I don't remember exactly, I think it's 70,000 miles on this one. I already have around what, like I think around 10,000 miles on this one. And hey, look at these babies, it looks almost basically new. I love it. I love the tread and everything. And guys, well, there you have it. This one, it was basically one of the best upgrades I did in this vehicle, and you know, we are very happy. I remember, if you guys remember this tire like that, in like you guys saw in the picture, it was basically like this, like, you know, all this isn't not straight like the way it is right now. It was completely this way, and you know, it's something good. I'm gonna put the links down below. Also, I'm gonna put the video right at the end of this one, where you guys can check, and you guys can see how and what is the part to change in order to get these tires fixed. And if you guys loosen your tires because they are wearing, they are basically wearing out on not even, and it's basically wearing out from the outside or from the inside, well, with this adjustable arm you guys can, you know, fix that problem. And you know, it's gonna work for the years to come. And it's, you know, MOOG for me is one of the best brands out there. You guys can check it out, the reviews, check with the mechanics and everything. And well guys, that's it. You know, I'm gonna put also the parts. I'm gonna, because I was checking the other video, the one I'm gonna put at the end, where you guys can see how to install it. And the part I told you guys in that video that I'm gonna put the parts on the description below, but I didn't. I'm sorry about that. I screwed up. You know, I'm trying to fix my videos every time I can, and now I'm trying to do my channel a little bit better. Guys, please subscribe to my channel, thumbs up. God bless you all, and I see you guys in another Just My Review. Remember, Jesus love you all, you guys, and well, you guys are part of my family. Thank you very much. If you guys got any questions, you know, be free to ask. I'm here to answer all your questions, and well, see you guys later. Bye bye.